In this video, we'll show you how to integrate GetResponse with WooCommerce to streamline your email marketing and boost your online store sales. If you've been wondering how these two tools can work together to create automated workflows, increase conversions, and personalize customer experiences, stick around because we're diving into exactly that, step by step. But before we start, let's take a quick look at what GetResponse and WooCommerce each bring to the table. First up, let's talk about GetResponse. It's an email marketing platform that allows you to easily create automated campaigns, manage lists, and optimize your customer communication. WooCommerce, on the other hand, is a powerful plugin for WordPress that turns your website into an online store. So why would you want to integrate these two? Well, when GetResponse is connected to WooCommerce, you can easily sync your customer data, automate follow-ups, and build a more personalized shopping experience for your customers. Now let's break down how to make this happen. The first thing you need to do is install the GetResponse for WooCommerce plugin. You can do this by going to your WordPress dashboard, navigating to the plugin section, and searching for GetResponse for WooCommerce. Once you find it, click Install and activate it. You should now see GetResponse in your dashboard menu. Next thing, you need to connect your GetResponse account with WooCommerce. Open the plugin settings, and you'll see a spot to enter your GetResponse API key. You can get this key from your GetResponse account. Just log in, go to the Integration section, and copy your API key. Paste it in the plugin settings on WooCommerce, and you're good to go. Once that's connected, GetResponse will automatically start syncing with WooCommerce, pulling in customer details and purchase data. This will allow you to create custom lists and segment your customers based on their buying behavior. The third thing you'll want to do is set up automated email campaigns. You can create emails that are triggered based on customer actions, such as abandoned cart reminders or post-purchase thank you emails. These automated workflows are essential for boosting engagement and keeping your customers coming back. The good news is, GetResponse makes it easy to set up these triggers and emails, even for beginners. Now, let's talk about the next thing, customer segmentation. With GetResponse and WooCommerce working together, you can segment your audience by their purchase history, product interests, or even how often they shop. This means you can send them highly relevant emails, tailored specifically to their needs. Whether it's a special offer for repeat customers or a discount on a product they've shown interest in, segmentation allows you to get more personal with your marketing. Next thing, let's touch on reporting. One of the biggest advantages of integrating GetResponse with WooCommerce is the ability to track how well your email campaigns are performing. You can see how many people opened your emails, clicked on links, and most importantly, how many conversions were driven by your emails. This data helps you refine your strategy and make smarter marketing decisions. The fourth thing to consider is the potential limitations. While GetResponse is a great tool for email marketing, it may not be the most user-friendly for those new to email campaigns. The automation features are robust, but they come with a learning curve. Plus, you might find that its e-commerce features aren't as detailed as some of its competitors, especially when it comes to handling large customer bases or more complex e-commerce needs. But here's the thing. If you're looking for a more tailored solution that's better optimized for your WooCommerce store, there are alternatives that provide even more seamless integrations and better customer segmentation. In fact, we have an exclusive offer for you today. By using the link in the description, you'll get access to the best free trial of GetResponse, along with extended benefits. But don't just take our word for it. We've also included some incredible alternatives that are better suited to help you achieve your email marketing goals. And yes, they offer free trials too. So, if you want to get the most out of your WooCommerce store and email marketing, be sure to check out the link in the description for an exclusive offer and see how these alternatives might work better for your specific needs.